Welcome to each and everyone today, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, any which part of the day. My viewers and subscribers, I want to say big up, thank you very much for 3,000 subscribers. Yeah man, thank you very much. To all, I'm a subscriber them were there from day one. Number one subscriber, number two, and to 3,000. Thank you very much. Yeah, man. The first subscriber, big up yourself. The second one, big up. Every subscriber, big up yourself. Here we go on. To all of my new subscribers, enough love, manners, respect. Thank you very much for coming on board. And you don't know, to all 3,033 subscribers, big up, enough love, manners, respect. Thank you very much for come and I go travel the journey with me. Remember, if you see me do something what you don't like or that is wrong, tell me. Say something to me, because me will respond and me will understand, and if you say something, me will work with it. Also, you can tell me what you want me to talk on or what videos you want me to show, what kind of video. Remember, it's Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So some kitchen stuff coming, some lifestyle stuff coming, some blogging, some vlogging coming, so you don't know. Now today, we go get into a little situation where me realize that me need to say. Yes, me need to say it. I think it's about time me really say it. And say it at 100%. Yes. To all of my viewers and subscribers, most of all, to all who come on the channel, rude, disrespectful, and some people who say, leave people business alone. Now, me go explain why this business become my business. And I go show you 2 videos. Yes, I go show you 2 videos, and I go show you the videos early. Like I go show you the videos them now. So that means you can see where me I come from, and then we go talk about some things, and then we go explain why this business is my business. Watch them 2 videos here.
Has to say take some form of accountability. Females that are here right now had sex when you were young with someone older. It's a part of the Jamaican culture as they are a minor. They should take accountability for not with it. The child has to say take some form of accountability. Females that are here right now had sex when you were young with someone older. It's a part of the Jamaican culture as they are a minor.
You know, but well, I'm not really commenting. I believe he told Vegas what Vegas said. But Joy, what would have caused him to have the conversation there with Mr. Vegas out of anybody else? What would have make him choose to have a conversation with Mr. Vegas, who is another vlogger? And then now, if him would have choose to tell Mr. Vegas whatever side of the story, that mean in a film opinion, him and Mr. Vegas would have close. And it will come back down now to where when him would have panic natural body, after he get bail and come out of jail, you know, if he say after that the man they get bail, him go look him out the one side and look all about pan the media. I see where everybody is saying and I see which way them can try to go around, whatever can go around. If him fit was say right, come sure CMR not tell 5 media outlet people what happened. So that for sure you how highly him would have rate Mr. Vegas. If you say alright, Mr. Vegas, me I go tell you this a truth, yeah. Whether a lie or a true. You get me I say? That no make no sense to me. And then now, if he even do tell him what that mean saying so trust him, instead of he say alright, I friend this then, and then now you see what friend would have winding up doing. Nonetheless, whether the situation is bad or not, if I ever trust him to have a conversation, it does lead back to what me I said, this whole clout and the social media, it just make everything just so much different because, I don't know, while you and CMR, them a friend. No, we are not no ever come with that. One no call friend, me tell you no all the time, my friend name is Zenora Weber. One alone, no one or two nor three, one. Zenora Weber and nothing never change. It's just people them have been there on them already in the past and close to them in the past, but life moves on and whatever. People them do them thing, me I do for me thing them. And then nobody them when me and them have put up at exchange conversation, nothing at all. So one I talk about me I tell you what me think. Me now come as a con tell you no say alright, CMR enough to punish you when we do. CMR I go get punished when do or I forget punished for whatever it is that he is doing. And when do and then it go hard to look like say you're totally innocent because obviously the girls them when they come out already where they call their name and then they close to young to so then know it straight up and give an impression like you really like
young girls.
Now my viewers and subscribers, you know, see them two videos. Those two peoples is two people that have high influence. And listen to what the young man say about Jamaica, our country, Jamaica. He's saying that our country, Jamaica, that's our culture. Now, my viewers and subscribers, when me hear him say that's our culture, it hurt my heart because that is not our culture. That is the monster that is living in our culture. Yeah, that's the monster that is living in our culture. And for him, as an influencer, as a person who depends on social media and people are listen to and people are like and people are talk to and him a give people advice, it is sad to see him use him platform to do that. Talking about young kids like that in that kind of way. Me no grow up so. Me no know anything about them things. It's when me become in my 20s, me really hear and know so them things really, really happen. Me couldn't believe. Then now we go turn over to Wally British. That's a woman who I always like to listen to her. But if you listen to her smartly, intelligently, bashing Vegas because she believes Vegas shouldn't come out and say what him say because CMR have confidence in a Vegas that him tell him about the situation. She not talk about the situation where CMR tell Vegas that it is not the child in his house but another person, child, another lady, child, Trinidadian. So you see what I say? Him talk to Vegas and tell Vegas, no, it's not in his house. It's not the person in his house. It's another person that he did not say he didn't do it. My viewers and subscribers, yeah, you hear what I say? He didn't say he not do it. Now, we go move on. And I go stay along on that. And I go tell you the reason why I have to talk about this. When me little bit young, in my 20s, in Jamaica, I used to go to a catering school because from long time I love to cook. So I want to learn more about catering, waitering. At that school, I met up with a nice young lady, beautiful young lady. At the time, I was 25 years old. She was 22 years old. So we start to talk. Not dating, just talk, have fun, friendship, help with work. When at lunchtime, she would have buy everybody lunch. Then sometime me buy everybody lunch. Sometime her friend buy everybody lunch, meaning 3 of us. So it going on, long story short, it a get away. The friend realized say it a get away. The friend said to me, Rodney, I hope you're not going to break my girl heart. I hope you're not going to treat her bad or make she think everything all right. I said, nah, man. I say, she nice. She intelligent. She like to learn. She want to do her own business. I say, them kind of woman they me like. Also, she is a girl where if something not go right, she will try to work it out. I say, yeah. And she said to me, say, oh, I hope so. My viewers and subscribers, I continue to talk to the girl, continue. Things start to get serious, you know. And when things start to get serious, one day, because what we used to do, we used to go a taxi stand, walk to taxi stand, and make sure she go in a taxi, make sure she gone home. Then me go take my taxi. It a get serious now where, because she have a little house, you know. She have a little place where she live over her grandmother. Things are get little serious now, like we start to like with one another, where, you know, she stopped me one day when we walked the taxi and she said to me, say, me have something to tell you. When this, I say, yeah, and when this lady start to talk, this lady make me know, say, she have a youth. And me say, yeah, that's fine, man. Me love kids, cause me love kids. Me say, that's fine, man. Me love kids. She said, no. There's a situation. And she tell me, say, only hope when she tell me not go stop talk to her. And she outlined to me that the youth where she have, the youth is our mother, man, son. So me say, what you mean? And she said, yeah. And right away, me I tell her the truth. Me shoulder everywhere drop. Because now me I feel it, fear. She said, all right, let me explain. And she start to tell me, people, my viewers and subscribers, me can't go into details. But she said it happened 1 time, it happened 2 times, it happened 3 times. Then she go to her mother. And she tell her mother about it. And she said while telling her mother about it, her mother take her hand and put it in her face. Box her down flat on the ground. And tell her, say, come out of me. You know we are Jamaican. Come out of me clad house. I try to take me, man. I can't go in a whole heap of detail because of YouTube. And the lady tell me, say, she never have nowhere to go. She cry, she go to her grandmother. Go stay the night. The mother come over there and deal with her wicked. Yeah. She say, when the mother gone, she start to talk to her grandmother. And she explained to her grandmother and tell her grandmother where she go through. The grandmother go over the mother. And the mother step on the grandmother and run the grandmother out her yard. She said about 3 months living at the grandmother, she started to feel a way, but she not even realize what really happened to her. Because at the time, she was 14. She said when she did it, she said, wait, something wrong, man. Only if you know, she pregnant. She pregnant, my viewers and subscribers. She pregnant. The only person who trouble her, interfere with her, was that man. Because she said she never have nothing. She not a boyfriend. She not look them the way there. Hey. And she said that is what happened to her. She said at the time she couldn't do nothing. She never have the money. Her grandmother never have the money to see if she could get rid of it. So she end up having to carry it. And she tell me, say, every time she look upon the little boy, her heart beat so fast because of the situation and where she have to say who the father is. So my viewers and subscribers, when you see me talk about it, me know people. When me come in at the US, me a work and one of the workers there, yeah, she said she like Jamaicans. So me explain to her right away and say to her, say, you can't like this a Jamaican because this a Jamaican you married. Me married at the time. And me and her become friends. Without no benefit, we are just friends. She talked to me. She said to me, say, she think we would make a good thing. And me say, well, that's how life going, you know? But me couldn't do that. Because, as me say, we married at the time. And one day she said to me, say, Rodney, me just can't manage. Because me can't keep a relationship. Immediately in my head, me start to think different about who she is. But then when she explained to me and tell me what her uncle do to her at age 6. Yeah. Where our uncle do to her at age 16. My viewers and subscribers, my heart drop. Yes, my heart drop. And let me tell you something, my viewers and subscribers. All when me no married no more, me couldn't say A or B to that individual. Me couldn't say nothing. I hello morning, evening, how things are going, how life are going. The last time me and that lady have a little conversation, she tell me, say, still trouble her. She cannot have a relationship. She can't keep one. Because she said as soon as she in the relationship and that thing start, she say as soon as that thing start, you know me I talk about. The physicalness. She say as soon as it start, if you go 1 or 2 times, 3, 4, it's come like, yeah. So my viewers and subscribers, you see, sometimes we as people, we don't understand what the people them are go through. We don't know where them are go through. We don't see where them are go through. So we go sit down and talk all kind of something. We go sit down and we go talk all kind of something. We go say everything that's bad about these people. And let me tell you something. It not pretty. It not pretty for them. So to all of the people where are coming at the comment section and I bash me and I say if you go make new content, a new content me I make. Yes, every content me make is a new content. Even if it's about the same set of people, it's different. Because this, me never want to say this. But what me do, me make sure make contact with them people and tell them say me go do it. Even though nobody now gonna know who them is. And them said to me, say, fine, go ahead. People need to know what really are going on. Because a lot of people don't know what really are going out there in the world with these young people. How you fi sit down and talk about our culture. I know we culture. Can you see, which part of the world you see a person culture is to do that? And you say you are influencer. Remember me tell you, Yeah, remember me tell you. If me have the power, yeah, you wouldn't say another word on that page. Because people need to learn and know that this is not a joke. This is not a joke. So when you know I sit down, I want to talk. I want to hear people I say them views. I want to talk about people, bad mind people. I want to talk about people I try to get to see your money where them I get. Listen me now. Me not try to get no money when nobody have. Me have my own money. Me work my own money. So when you come in at the comment section and I write all kind of things and I say all kind of things because those people are on idol. They are not mine. Me used to watch them. And me stop watch them because me I say something right. Me used to watch them, you know. All of them prank with the mother and so me used to watch them. But after me start to watch all of them channel, me I realize there's something right. Yeah, me I realize there's something right because if you watch the channel them, you realize those are two unhappy people. Go back and watch them. Go back and watch the channel them and you see one. They're unhappy. Then just do the fakeness to make it look good. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me go cut the video now because I don't want it too long. So, to each and everyone out there in this land, pray for them kids. Pray that these things stop. Pray that these predators and these monsters go get help. Yes, pray for them. Yeah, man. We pray for the enemy and we go pray for all of them. Make sure them things not happen and stop happen. And listen me now. To you and you and you. Come close. You see if you know somebody who did that, say something. Yes, say something. If you know somebody who has got through that problem, take it up on your head and help that person. Say something before something else happens. Because we can stop it. We can help stop it. Enough respect. Take care of yourself. And if you can't be good, go on your bed, go sleep. Not do nothing that is bad. Peace and love and unity. Again, big up, enough respect to each and every one of my subscriber them. And the viewers them, you know so you know watch, you know like what I go on. Come on man, come on board. Make we do this thing, make we talk about this thing. And you don't know, we're going to show you a next side of Rodney's kitchen. And remember the word lifestyle. So, a whole bunch of things that come. Peace and love, and I'm out. Now say a word. Thank you very much for watching. Love.